Okay, this guy Perry XL Perry HS is a straight up cheater. He knew exactly what cards were going to land on the table. He was sitting there telling me that Ace Ace would land on the table, and guess what? Ace Ace landed on the table. Uh, yeah, you guys need to watch people like this. They are straight up cheating. He won almost every single hand. He even won against the other opponent and stuff. And yeah, I don't care what you guys at Governor of Poker say. There are cheaters in this game. They know when uh, they're going to start winning their hand because they start going all in and stuff when they're at the table with you. And guess what? That next hand, you may have two pairs in your hand, like a pair, because I had a pair of H and a pair of fives. uh, I had an 8-5 in my hand, and an 8-5 landed on the table. The guy's cards did not land on the table until the last cards on the river, and he went all in. And guess what? His cards were at the end of the river. He got Jack 10 to win the hand.